40 million units sold, 25 years of ham radio dominance. And now there are only 5,000 of these in existence. This is the 25th anniversary edition. Baofeng UV-5R. Is it just a $30 coat of paint? Or is there some magic inside? Let's dive in. I had to be super dramatic because it's just me and these plain bare white walls because I am not in the normal ham shack today and I couldn't wait to get this out to you. Comes in a nice box, but there's an even better box in here. There's a carrying case in here, but I want to take a walk around the outside. Look at this, Baofeng Electronics. So is it Baofeng, Baofeng, or Baofeng? How do you pronounce it? I say Baofeng because I'm an American. And if you're the kind of person that cares about such things, it actually has an FCC ID 2AJGM-UV5R, which is probably the same one it's always had. I'm gonna leave the parts about how much power this thing puts out and whether it is clean or dirty up to the other YouTubers that are gonna review this. I just wanted to get you this information as fast as possible so that you didn't miss out on this limited edition run of Baofengs in the orange or in the crystal clear color scheme. Because let's face it, we've all got to have another radio. And on the back, humility as our foundation. That's true. Progress as our edge. Baofeng Electronics, 25 years dedicated to radio. I know a lot of us haven't even been hams for 25 years, and that's okay. It's also okay if you've been a ham for longer. That's even more fun. Let's take a look inside. We've got a nice little intro card here with their resume, their curriculum vitae. And then on the back, a signed certificate of authenticity. Since the first UV-5R rolled off our production line in 2011, every call you've made and every adventure you've shared has kept our founding vision alive. Without you, there would be no Baofeng as we know it today. Limited to 5,000 commemorative sets. And then this is the part here that makes it really cool. This is like a little, I hate to use the G word, but it looks like a little GUN case. Maybe a small tool case or something like that. But it's hard plastic. 25th anniversary logo on the back. Looks like it's racing to get somewhere, almost reminiscent of the original Star Trek text. It's not, I know it's not, but let's take a look inside. Foam padding to protect your radio. The owner's manual, probably not updated at all. My one beef with these owner's manuals is, does it tell you how to program a repeater? There's manual programming, and it does go over the tones. There is repeater programming. So there's a little bit of an update to the manual. Doesn't remind me of the original manual I got with mine, but that was a while back. This one is True Prison Edition. Absolutely crystal clear. Behind this back plate here is probably a heatsink of some kind, or this back plate is the heatsink of some kind. That looks really nice. It's still got the screen protector on it, of course, because we just took it out of the box. There you go, 25th anniversary edition. And then if we plug it in and turn it on, look at that. The one update to this radio, besides the clear case, USB-C charging directly.
Channel mode.
Baofeng, 25th. Let's see it again. Baofeng, 25th. 25th anniversary edition.
Frequency mode.
Button, or 25th anniversary edition.
Channel mode.
Button. Microphone hole, speaker, lights up in the back. Gives you that cool see-through aesthetic. That's really nice. You get your top secret FBI earpiece. And then this is where it gets really cool. They've actually given you an upgraded, if I can get it out of the bag. Oh, it's upside down. Upgraded antenna, and since it is crystal clear to match the crystal clear radio, you can see the capacitor in there, and you can see the coil inductor in there, and then the antenna itself. And this is a little bit longer than your stock rubber duck and a little bit sexier as well. So that completes the ensemble. And then the black battery case on the back. That would be nice if it was clear, but all you would see inside is the pouch battery, so I don't know. There we go. This is number 1206. And then the other interesting part you get here is a pin in a Ziploc baggie. Ouch, that's sharp. Look at that. That's pretty sexy looking. And then everything fits inside in the custom cut foam, laser cut foam. I'm gonna say laser because that's awesome. Ready to roll. Nice. If you would like some more information on the 25th anniversary edition of the Baofeng UV-5R, I will leave a link down in the description below for you to Radiodity's website because they're the ones that sent this in. On your way down to check out that link, hit that subscribe button too. I would greatly appreciate it. And there's that little thumbs up thing there too. YouTube says all that stuff is important. I am contractually obligated to say it. And if you have never seen a Baofeng radio before and you know nothing about them, I have a video right over here, which was one of my originals on how to build your own cable, custom cable to get this thing programmed. It'll be a blast from my past as well. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.